How to find follow request on Threads app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find follow request on Threads app. In order to find it, first of all, you'll need to open your Threads application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the bottom, you will be able to see this navigation bar. Here you will need to look for the heart-shaped icon at the bottom right corner of the interface. Once you locate it, tap on it. This represents your activity feed. Once doing that, you will reach to the activity section. Here at the top, tap on this request option and then here you will be able to see all the accounts that have requested to follow you. Now you can choose to either confirm or remove each request. Confirming will allow the users to follow you and see your post, while hiding or removing will remove their request without approval. Also, you will get the option to approve all the requests presented here by simply tapping on this Approve All button right at the top. So by following these steps, you should be able to find follow requests and manage them on Threads. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.